Welcome back to yet another exciting video on our YouTube channel. We've got an electrifying topic on our hands today, one that's had minds buzzing for ages. The enigmatic habits that separate the wealthy from the financially strained. It's like glimpsing into a treasure trove of insights that have been hiding in plain sight. Are you as intrigued as we are? Well then, don't let this moment slip through your fingers. Tap that subscribe button and become a part of this knowledge-hungry community. Together, we're about to crack open the vault guarding the secrets of financial triumph. So stick around, because the unraveling starts right now. Habit 1. Strategic financial planning. This isn't just budgeting, it's a whole mindset. The wealthy, you see, take this to a new level. They're like architects designing their wealth empire. They sketch out crystal-clear financial goals, crafting budgets that are more than just numbers. They're blueprints for success. Every dollar is accounted for, and every expenditure is scrutinized. It's not just about the short term, it's about nurturing long-term investments, ensuring that every cent is an eager worker in their financial army. Habit 2. Continuous learning. These successful individuals, they're not content with yesterday's news. They devour books like feasts of wisdom. They partake in seminars like sponges soaking up insights, and they have a direct line to the latest industry trends. Their minds are like thriving gardens, cultivating a rich crop of awareness. Armed with this knowledge, they make decisions that are more akin to strategic maneuvers, seizing opportunities while others are still figuring out the game. Habit 3. Multiple streams of income. You see, the wealthy don't put all their eggs in one basket. They're the maestros of diversification. While most are content with their 9-to-5, these savvy players are crafting symphonies of income streams. Stocks, real estate, business ventures, their financial landscape is a masterpiece of variety. They understand that this patchwork of income isn't just a fancy quilt. It's a fortress guarding them against economic storms. Habit 4. Networking and relationship building. As we step into habit number 4, we're entering a realm where connections are currency. The wealthy understand that your net worth isn't just about dollars, it's about the people you know. They cultivate connections like master gardeners tending to rare flowers. These relationships aren't just small talk, they're potential partnerships, investment opportunities, and fountains of valuable insights. Remember, folks, in the world of wealth, your address book might just be your most valuable asset. Habit 5. Discipline and delayed gratification. While most people get caught up in instant pleasures, the wealthy have mastered the art of restraint. They understand that a small sacrifice today can yield monumental gains tomorrow. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty oak. Discipline is their compass, and with it, they navigate through the tempting jungle of impulse spending, reserving their resources for investments that'll yield a bountiful harvest. Habit 6. Health is wealth. Here's where the wealthy realize that their most valuable asset isn't sitting in a bank, it's residing within themselves. They treat their bodies and minds like temples, attending to them with utmost care. Fitness isn't just vanity, it's an investment in sound decision-making. Proper nutrition is like fuel for their financial engines, and stress management is the secret weapon in their arsenal. In their world, good health isn't just a luxury, it's a non-negotiable necessity. Habit 7. Embracing risks. While most shy away from uncertainty, the wealthy see it as a playground of potential. But this isn't reckless abandon, it's calculated courage. They analyze risks with the precision of a surgeon, weighing potential rewards against potential pitfalls. It's like walking a tightrope, daunting to most, but a thrilling dance for the daring. These calculated risks, they often lead to soaring heights that others can only dream of. Habit 8. Time management and productivity. The wealthy recognize that time isn't just gold. It's a vault of treasures waiting to be unlocked. They're the conductors of their daily symphony, orchestrating tasks with finesse. Priorities are their guiding stars. They delegate where appropriate and slay the dragons of time-wasting distractions. By focusing on high-impact endeavors, they're able to propel themselves forward in the race toward their financial ambitions. Habit 9. Giving back and philanthropy. The wealthy aren't hoarders of wealth, they're stewards of it. They understand that their success isn't just for personal indulgence. It's a chance to create ripples of positive change. Through giving back and engaging in philanthropy, they construct bridges of hope, uplift communities, and weave a tapestry of lasting impact. Their wealth isn't just a number, it's a tool to build a better world. Habit 10, long-term vision. These aren't just folks seeking quick wins, they're crafting legacies. Their gaze isn't fixed on the present. It's fixated on the horizon, on a vista that stretches across years and even generations. They set audacious goals that are more akin to life missions, and every decision they make aligns with this grand tapestry. Their wealth isn't fleeting. It's a perpetual flame that illuminates not just their lives, but the lives of those who will come after them. As we wrap up this discussion, always keep in mind that change begins with awareness and action. By incorporating even just a few of these habits into your daily life, you're taking significant steps toward shaping a more prosperous future for yourself. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of wealth-building habits. Remember, greatness is not reserved for a select few. It's within reach for all of us. So until our next insightful journey together, continue to stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep chasing your financial dreams with unwavering determination.